We wanted to try something a little bit different today, so we're going to make some baked sweet potatoes. We're going to make a cranberry and apple twice baked sweet potato. We've preheated our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to take a couple of sweet potatoes here. We're just going to poke a lot of holes in those. Once we get the holes poked in, we're going to stick them in the oven and we're going to bake them for 45 to 55 minutes. Our baked potato is almost finished, so we're going to take and make our filling. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of butter. To that, we're going to add 2 small apples that we've diced, and we've made sure that all the peeling is off as well. 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to cook this for about 3 or 4 minutes. We just want to kind of soften those apples up just a little bit and making sure all of our sugars are melted, everything is nice and coated. That brown sugar and butter makes a nice little, almost like a little caramel in there. Alright, we're now going to add 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. And we're going to cook this for 1 more minute. Alright, once we get that all cooked, we're just going to set this off to the side just for a few moments until our baked potato is ready. Alright, these just came out of the oven. We're now going to slice these open. And like I said, this recipe is good for 4 sweet potatoes, but there's only 2 of us, so. We're going to open those up. We're going to take our fork. We're just going to kind of break that up just a tad bit. And it is still hot, as you can tell. Give it a little fluff. Alright, once it's done fluffing, we'll take our mixture, place our mixture on top. And we're going to be overly generous on this. Now we're going to stick this back in the oven, and we're going to bake it for another 10 minutes. All right. There we go. It's been 10 minutes. Apple and cranberry stuffed twice baked potato. Enjoy the recipe.